Okay, so the background is Dear Lizzie, Stay Colorful, called Hey Sunshine. Sorry, I got the hiccups. Strips are all scraps from my stash. They're just from, they are the scraps from past kits. I'm so sorry. My goodness, I got the hiccups. The word print layer is 10.5 by 3 3/4 from Pink Fresh Studio. A case of the Bloss called Flossom, and that I'm using as my photo mat. And I have to tell you, we have a 3-day weekend this weekend. It is Labor Day. I have to redo this video because I don't know, it messed up. Anyway, and I kid you not, I have lived in this house for 4 years. I've been renting this house for 4 years. And I saw a small alligator run through my yard, from the backyard to the front yard to the woods across the street. I was like, oh my word, my cat is outside. I just came in from being outside with my dog, washing and detailing the inside of my car. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Anyway, I used that journaling card, which is from past Project Life add-on kits. And these are strips. They're just scraps. I don't even have the branding strips for those. So I'm going to put that back in the back. I'm just trying to get it to slide so that journaling card slides in and out, because that's where my journaling is going to go. And this is a sunset, or sorry, sunrise. Oh, what is that? Oh, hey, there's my... I was looking for that. Okay, so I am using die cuts. Those die cuts are Jen Hadfield. I do use some epoxy stickers, which are Pink Fresh Studio, called The Mix. Which is that circle there. And those are Jen Hadfield. I use mostly that. The epoxy stickers are the circles. They kind of look like flares. And then Shine On is American Crafts Good Things Thickers. And I'm adding that now. And that completes my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.